Hey guys, just making a video about a flyer. This is from William Penn, or legal in general, but William Penn here in New York State. This is by far the company I write the most term insurance in New York. As a matter of fact, my last term policy I wrote myself was a William Penn policy. Feel free to pause the video if you want to check out this flyer. Obvious reasons to buy term insurance: adults with kids to send to college, people with mortgages, student loans, or debts. Well, let's focus on that for a second. What do you care if you have student loans? Well, if somebody co-signed it, like mom and dad, and then God forbid something happens to you, mom and dad are still on the hook for that mortgage. I mean that student loan. Excuse me. Let's keep on scrolling down. All right, the benefits of a term insurance policy with William Penn. Just like with all companies, flexible premiums can be paid by the following options: annually, semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly. No big deal there. Term riders. Let me read this. This is big. A lot of people, probably some people watching this video, have done this with me. Stacking life insurance coverage is a way to get the right amount of protection for the right amount of time. A term rider is an additional insurance rider that provides temporary coverage for a period shorter than what the base policy provides. Using a term rider is a cost-effective way to protect yourself from being over or underinsured as your financial responsibilities change over time. For example, you can start with a 30-year base plan and add a 20-year rider to cover the mortgage payoff, and a 10-year rider to protect an education fund. I'm going to do a video specifically about it. It's great. I love term riders. I don't have any myself. I've been buying life insurance for a long time. If I knew about term riders 30 years ago, I certainly would have made use of that. Children's life insurance rider. Unfortunately, in New York, you cannot do a children's life insurance rider, but obviously you can buy your kids their own insurance. Accelerated death benefit. Another reason to buy life insurance. With this rider, the death benefit can be paid prior to the insured's death if he or she is facing a qualifying terminal illness. The maximum accelerated death benefit amount is lesser of $500,000 or 75% of the policy primary death benefit. The accelerated death benefit is treated as a lien, which accrues interest. Upon the death of the insured, the death benefits payable are reduced by the total accelerated death benefit lien. All right, so what does this all mean? If you have a life insurance policy with William Penn or many other life insurance companies, you can take some of your death benefit if you only have like 12 months to live. The doctor says you only have 12 months to live. You can take some of your death benefit. Why would you want to do that? I don't know. Maybe take a last vacation with the family. Or maybe there's a treatment that's not covered by your healthcare provider that maybe could save your life. I mean, there's a couple reasons. Many people just don't even use the accelerated death benefit rider, but it comes with the policy, and it's a great value. Waiver of premium. If you became disabled, then you wouldn't have to pay the premium anymore. This benefit can give you peace of mind knowing that if you were to suffer a serious long-term illness or injury and become totally disabled, your family or business will remain protected financially. We will waive all premiums that are due during total disability if we are given proof of total disability, and such total disability has then existed continuously for at least 6 months. That's a big one. Just about all of my policies have the waiver of premium. That is an additional charge. It's not a lot of money though. And policy conversion. This one, I'm probably going to do a standalone video for this one too. The conversion option allows you to exchange your term policy, which, as we know, term insurance expires, for a universal life insurance policy. Universal life insurance, it does expire. You pick an age where it expires: 90, 95, 100, all the way up to 121 years old. Now, certainly that covers most of us, all right, 121 years old. So if you have a term policy that expires when you're 70, you can convert some of the policy or all of the policy to a permanent, conceivably a permanent product up to the age of 121. And that's why you buy a term insurance. A part of a reason why you buy a term insurance policy, because it assures your insurability. Um, the key advantage of the conversion option is that when exercised, a new universal life policy will be issued at the same underwriting class as your existing term. So let's say you're a very fit person at 30 years old, the right weight, the right height, no high cholesterol, no diabetes, no blood pressure, no cancer, no heart attack history, no stroke, okay? And you bought a 20-year policy. Say 10 years down the line after you bought the policy, now you have a lot of health problems. You can convert your term insurance policy to a permanent product without proving your insurability again. You already proved it back when you were a young 30-year-old person. Now you're very unhealthy. You can still convert your term insurance to a permanent product. It's really very important, and actually personal history with that. Cousin of mine wanted to convert some of his policy. He had cancer. I don't know if he did or he didn't. I was not his agent. He bought the life insurance before I became an agent, and ultimately he ended up passing away, and his wife collected the large sum of his death benefit. Anyway, I just wanted to show you a flyer with William Penn. Great company here in New York. This is the company I write the most term insurance with. If you found value in this, if this gets you going and says, I got to get some life insurance, you have an agent, go call that agent. All right, tell them you want William Penn. William Penn comes out just about the cheapest here in New York as far as term insurance. If you don't have a trusted agent, I am one, and I deal with William Penn all the time. 631-484-2770 is my number. You can call or you can text me. You can also email me, lifeinsurancemath@gmail.com. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and feel free to share it with friends and family. Be safe.